Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to change league rules. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, as editing isn't fully supported in the ESPN mobile app. Then on the search bar simply type in fantasy.espn.com. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside, what you need to do is log into your account, and once logged into your account, what you need to do is click on League, then click on LM Tools, then select Edit League Settings. Then in the Edit League Settings section, scroll to the specific rule you want to adjust, like scoring, schedule or playoff, transaction and waivers, divisions, draft settings, and then once you are done and once you have made your changes, simply click on Save Changes at the bottom. Then all adjustments you made mid-season will be stamped in the league's transaction log. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.